here's the Rubik's Cube I made more difficult. Not with the stickers, but spikes. Each piece has these sharp spikes, making it almost impossible to hold or turn. Still, let's give it a shot, I guess. Honestly, I don't know why I made this, probably just to make sure no one could solve it quickly. Back when I built this dangerous cube, it seemed more fun than painful. Cube may look scrambled, but for some reason I feel like this cube scrambled me. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That was a bad idea. You can only hold this cube carefully and then maybe grab it properly. So yeah, even a regular Rubik's Cube can become impossible without changing the colors or mechanism. Just add a little pain.